Guys, so this is the 9th episode, season 3. Season 3. Everything has to be systematic, We'll start with flute, old tradition. I feel like it's good for the listener also. I think this sound is helps calm the mind. It's like it has some like different kind of property. Maybe because of wood sound. I don't know. Nice. Let me talk about something different. I think we had a lot of intellectual video, last 3. So let's maybe even the weather, right? Night time. So night time is wrap up time. So you wrap up everything in life and then you sleep. That's the secret to sleeping. The cold breeze. The warm lights. And your body is actually, those of you who have meditated will realize that when you meditate, your body temperature drops down. You start feeling cold actually. So that's kind of what sleeping is, because your body is a very heightened state of activity all throughout the day. By body I means both mind plus body, like everything complete, whatever inside this body, whatever is inside this package, everything. Why are we not able to sleep? I had a discussion with one of my friend from college also. She is doing some startup to make people sleep. Apparently this is one of the biggest problem in front of humanity. Like people are not able to sleep. Oh my God. How can you come to this level? I mean, see, you understand that people cannot solve mathematics. It's hard. Or people cannot learn how to play flute, or people cannot learn some more tricky thing in life. But how can you mess up sleeping? I mean, but it is a very big problem. I know it's a very serious issue. 50, most of the people in America, like the most developed countries supposedly, sleep with medicines. I mean, they don't even sleep normally. So they just take a pill, tap, done. It's like they send you to operation theater. So there's an anesthetic. So when you want to sleep, you take the anesthetic, you sleep. So what is sleep, and how basically the way we sleep Okay, so we sleep. That's how we are structured, kind of like the time in terms of days, right? So we have divided. Okay, this is the most of the places. There will be a daytime and there will be a night time. So even though it has no relation with sunlight actually, because a lot of places there is like sunlight all the time, but still they have day and night. You understand? Because that's more of a conceptual level. Because and especially I think for these work weeks, for corporations and companies, they have devised that kind of setting so that people can keep working. In a manner like you take rest also. So what is that? So in our conceptual level, it's the day. The night time is what we call like sleeping time. Okay, so I'm not particularly saying that night time is the dark time. A lot of places night time is still, maybe the sunlight is still there. Maybe someone is doing like the other way shift, like working in the night and the day is the night, like that. So night time is basically the time you sleep, basically the time you take rest, right? You do one shift of you living and then you take rest, then you live like the 8 hours, then you take rest, like this, right? That's how we have divided time. I mean, that is fine, nothing wrong with it, the division. But then you understand sleep. So what is sleep? Is basically rest time. So, but why are people not able to sleep? Because they are caught up in what they will do in the next living shift. You understand? So that's why they are not even able to rest in this shift. And most of it is guided by desires only. Like, why do you were so much worried about the next living shift? Like, what will you do tomorrow? First sleep first, right? Then tomorrow will come. If you don't sleep, not tomorrow, this day will continue. It's a serious issue actually. Because if you don't rest, it leads to a lot of mental problems, because you kind of become afraid of silence only. Silence means like silence of surrendering. You become very much afraid of surrendering yourself. Because what is sleeping? Sleeping is essentially you surrender yourself. Okay, this is the place I live my perception, awareness of my body, of my eyes, of my ears, right? And I sleep. That is sleeping. But if you are always worried, oh, what if some thief comes, you are not able to let go of your sound. You understand? If you are constantly kind of worried about someone entering the room, you are not able to actually leave your eyes completely at rest. Because you are like, someone here, or sound wise is like, oh, something happened, like that. If you don't know how to surrender means like, this is it. The 10 hours of this day, the play time is over. Now it's time to shut down the computer and let it rest. Done. That is it. Simply, otherwise the machine will overheat. You have to understand it as simply as this. But people are complicated it a lot and then stressing about so much in life. I think this is a good episode about sleep. We understood the concept of sleeping and why people are not able to sleep. And okay, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.